Goodbye. Take care.
Goodbye, Daddy.
Hurry up and leave it clean. Hurry up and leave it clean. Angry child, hurry up. I'm hungry. Go away and never come back.
Dad, where are you? I miss you so much.
Love, you can come to the house now. I'm alone.
Okay, love, I'm coming. Wait for me.
Good morning. Is everything all right over there?
If everything is all right, boss.
I'm very hungry.
Here, child. You look hungry.
Thank you very much, sir. Dear Father, I now live on the street. Please give this to my father.
That woman lied to me. Son, hang in there. I'm on my way.